Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so in this video today, I'm going to be decorating my little cozy corner. So come on with me, guys. So I am absolutely loving the Pink Stuff multi-purpose spray. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe all of this area down so we can decorate it a little. I'm not gonna go overboard, but I am gonna decorate it, and I might even have a snack and some coffee. All right, so this video is a part of a collaboration called Cozy Corner or Vignette, and this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Design with Emma. I also have some beautiful co-hosts, and that is Z9 Design, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and Barbie Daily Rule Life in the Valley. So I'm going to go ahead and start decorating that corner right there with this beautiful tier tray. Now, I decided to decorate a couple of tier trays from Mother's Day extravaganza or All About Mom extravaganza. And I am loving these colors here. So I think I'm going to go ahead and place this tray right in that corner. I think it looks perfect in that corner. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you what beautiful DIY I just made for a collab. Now I just created this beautiful vintage piece. I am loving it. I love the fact that it's a stand-up decor and I can move it around. I made a riser out of it. With all of this was all items that I put together from the Dollar Tree. That came out totally amazing, and the colors blend nicely. And of course, I found a candle that would match nicely for this particular corner. I was looking for a votive in this color, but this candlestick is perfectly fine for video purposes. I placed that right there. So I don't know if you remember when I told you that whenever they have the bottle brush trees in different colors, it's so nice because whatever your theme is, you can always go ahead and use one of those bottle brush trees. This one happens to be in white and pink. And then, of course, I ordered this cloche from BB Crafts, and it is absolutely amazing. The rose is a metal, and I'm loving that rose. And of course, to stand it up, I just put a bunch of pearls inside. I love all this vintagey stuff, so I'm really leaning toward it. It is really beautiful and delicate. Now, you guys know that I'm always moving stuff around until I feel comfortable. So I did have two of the houses that were little candy shops, and that's what I have there. And then these beautiful jars, you could either stand them upright or lean them over to the side. I have some mints and some marshmallows in these jars. I just picked up 3, and I'm loving them. I love that wood top. So now I do have the coffee pot already going. So there's coffee already in my pot. And yes, I am going to froth the coffee and have some cookies. So I'm folding over this cloth. I'm absolutely loving it. And we're going to save the flowers for last. Now, I absolutely love this cup. I was going to bring down a mug, but then I decided why not use my my blue ribbon cup, and with the glass straw. I am just in love with this. I think I got it at Five Below. So we're going to go ahead and froth the coffee because I'm going to have a snack right when we're done with this, right before I show you my flowers. So here I am at the reveal, and I can't wait to dig into that snack. And look how pretty this corner is looking. I didn't want to overload it and just wanted some small hints of pink everywhere or lavender, and I think we achieved that. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Now, I didn't forget about the flowers, guys. That's coming next. So here are the pink roses, and they are amazing. And all of these things came from the Dollar Tree, that vase right there with the buffalo check ribbon. And the gems are from BB Crafts. The roses and the vase came from the Dollar Tree. I, of course, DIY'd the vase. Looks perfect right next to that metal rose. And yep, I'm done with my coffee. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.